This is a video on how to create a Python project in Visual Studio. First, you want to install Python. You can open the Visual Studio installer, click Modify, and make sure that Python is selected. Once done, install and close. Now you can load Visual Studio, and you can create a new project using a Python template. Select Python application, new, choose a name, choose a location, hit create. Inside, a Python environment has already been made for you. You can right click on it and manage the Python packages. You can search for something like Pygame, double click on it, install it. It runs that command inside a terminal and successfully installed it. You can see such installations have succeeded by giving it a try. There you go. And of course, you can run your application by clicking start. That's all, folks.